Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a clutch on a Subaru WRX. First, gather all your necessary tools and parts. You'll need a quality clutch kit, a new flywheel, and a pilot bearing. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the battery and use sturdy jack stands to secure your vehicle. Proper preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Next, we'll focus on removing the transmission. Begin by draining the transmission fluid completely. Then, systematically disconnect the drive shaft, shifter linkage, and the starter motor. Remember to label any electrical connectors to simplify reassembly. With everything unbolted, use a transmission jack to carefully lower the transmission away from the engine, ensuring it's stable. Now it's time to replace the worn clutch components. Unbolt the old pressure plate and remove the clutch disc. Inspect your flywheel for any hot spots or cracks. It's often best to replace it, torquing the new one to manufacturer specifications. Install the new pilot bearing, then carefully align and install the new clutch disc and pressure plate, tightening bolts evenly. Finally, we'll reassemble everything and perform crucial checks. Carefully guide the transmission back into place, ensuring proper alignment with the engine. Reconnect the drive shaft, shifter linkage, and all electrical connections. Refill the transmission with the correct fluid type and amount. Once everything is secure, start the vehicle and test the new clutch operation through all gears.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.